Today I've got another flashlight review from HOTLIGH. Now if you remember a while back I did a review on a HOTLIGH flashlight. I really like this flashlight, I use it all the time. If you want to watch the review for this guy, I'll leave it right about here. You might want to watch that one to know kind of my general feelings on HOTLIGH, but today we're going to feature the newest model. First question on anybody's mind with a flashlight is always, how bright is it? Well, it's extremely bright. No worries there. Quick overview, you've got a belt clip, forward-facing lights. You have two modes here. One of them is UV, the other one is a forward-facing light. Now, this is not a white light. This has a more yellow hue to it, you might be able to tell. But this is what they're referring to as their spotlight. Oh good, you can see my big pile of trash. Anyway, this is a 800 lumen front light. The main work light is 200, 600, and 2000. Definitely bright. Now, if you watched my channel before, you know that I do love me a good flashlight. I was super excited last year to be able to review this model from HOTLIGH, and I'm not lying, I do use it all the time. At work, at home, you'll see it's still charged, it's still super bright. There's things about this model that I really do appreciate. There are some other features on this one that this guy does not have, and vice versa. The first thing that's abundantly clear is their size. The newest model is smaller. So we got 169 grams for this one, and the new one, we have 137. Not much, but it's something. Overall length for the last model was about 4.5 inches. This one comes in right at 4. It's also a little thinner this direction, but a little thicker this direction. Both have very similar clip styles, button layouts, light layouts. Charging is in the exact same position. The one huge feature that the new one has over the old is the ability to change batteries. And if you're in a pinch, you do get a little runtime off of just regular AA batteries. So in case of an emergency, if you need some light, you can still run this on some AA's. I think that's an amazing feature. But since we have the premium batteries, we might as well use all the juice that we can get. Let's run through the modes now. If you want the front light, you're going to be clicking on the bottom button. One click gives you 200 lumens. Click it again for 6. Click it again for 2000. One more time, turns that light off. Anytime the light is on, you hold the button down to change the brightness setting of it. If you double click the bottom button, you will get the RGB mode. This is single color pulse, and you have a red flash. Then to turn on the front light, you have this front button here. You're going to click it once for UV, click it twice for the spotlight. Again, if you hold this button down, it will change the brightness. Now, I'm not trying to scare everybody, but we are in the dark. This is the middle of the day, but I was using some UV dye to help troubleshoot this car not too long ago. Plus, I've been doing some body work to it, so I've got dust literally everywhere. But you see the UV light. This is your spotlight for the front. Nice and bright. And I'm going to hold the light away from the camera to show you the floodlight or the work light. The 200 lumens, 6, and 2000. The sun might as well be out. Makes it seem like it's the middle of the day. So who's a flashlight like this for? Anybody. Any single person would have a use for a light like this. Flashlights are good in an automotive setting because you have to see in dark spaces sometimes. You gotta have one in your house just in case there's an emergency. You might as well have one that has the ability to be recharged or still utilized in the event of an emergency. This is a fantastic feature, HOTLIGH. Thank you for doing that. I still don't feel like the UV function is all that useful for the general public. It is a nice feature, but on this light, unless you're marketing specifically for the UV function, first time you press the forwardmost button, you get UV and not a light. Switch that so that you have the normal function is your spotlight. Then I think a lot more people will get use out of it, and when you double tap it, you'll get your UV. There's also a magnetic base that I totally forgot to mention. Bottom line before this gets too long-winded, HOTLIGH makes great products. If you've ever played with a HOTLIGH flashlight, you're gonna know it's quality. It's aluminum case, awesome. Metal clip, awesome. Now having removable, replaceable, emergencyable battery swaps, fantastic. HOTLIGH is a great idea. This is the model 8324 from HOTLIGH, solid unit, Great job, guys. I'll leave a link down in the description with more information on this guy, and if you want to pick yourself up one. If you're worried about longevity, don't be. The light I reviewed last night is 100% in all working order, and I have dropped it all over the place and used it very heavily. I have no doubts in my mind that this one will be the same. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button, leave a comment down below. It's been a little while since I've posted a video, so thank you for finding your way back to my channel, and thank you for watching.